Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Music Man's Garage. Today I have an update on my C8 Corvette that I purchased a couple weeks ago. I'm out here at Lux Auto Restyling here north of Fort Wayne, and I had my windows tinted on my car. I wanted to do a real quick video to show you my car, and I wanted to also get your opinion on something. So if you stick around, I have a question that I want to ask you, and then I want you to leave a comment down below in the comment section for me. So this is my car, and like I said, I had the windows tinted. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the car now with window tint. The 2026 Chevy Corvette Stingray. I had the windows tinted. I got 20% ceramic tint on the side windows and the back window. I went ahead this time and went with ceramic because I've heard a lot of good things about it and how it helps deflect heat. And with this car being a two-seater and a more of a high-end car, the most expensive car that I've personally ever purchased, I went ahead and decided to go with ceramic tint on this car. Again, 20% on the sides and the back. And now I'm going to ask you the question that I am unsure about. So I have never had a mid-engine car. Obviously, this is the first mid-engine car I've ever owned. If you have a C8 Corvette and you've had the windows tinted, tell me, how did you get your windows tinted? Did you get the back window tinted on your coupe, or did you get the window tinted in between the cabin and the motor? I'll show you what I mean by that. So if you pop the hood, this is what I consider to be the back window. But when I dropped my car off to get it tinted, the gentleman at the facility where I got it tinted said that people most of the time get this window tinted, the one that separates the cabin from the motor compartment. So when you got your window tint on your C8 Corvette, did you get the divider window tinted, or did you get the back window on the hatch tinted? I'm a little bit confused about that. I went ahead and told him that I wanted the back window tinted because that's typically what I've always been used to. Now, his recommendation was, we aren't sure exactly how it's going to work out because there's a lot of heat coming off the motor, and it's going to rise up and go directly into that tint. Obviously, there are vents on the side, and then this back vent right here lets a lot of the air come out, but it's going to be a matter of trial and error because they have never tinted this back window before, and that's what I wanted done. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how it holds up, and if it doesn't hold up and we decide that it's not going to work like that, we are going to go ahead and have the window tinted in between the engine compartment and the inside of the car where you sit. So anyway, I wanted to get your opinion on that. If you would, leave a comment in the description down below and tell me what you did when you got your windows tinted on your car. At this point, I am 100% satisfied with the tint that I got on the car. We're just going to have to stick around and hold on and see how well it holds up. If you're looking for a fantastic company to do your window tint, your PPF, or any kind of wrap at all, make sure you check back with Lux here on the north side of Fort Wayne in Laotto. They do a fantastic job. So anyway, that is all for now. I wanted to keep it kind of short and just get your opinion on that. Just a real quick update on the window tint on the back window. As you can see right here, it is starting to bubble from the heat. There's a couple spots, so therefore I will go ahead and have them change that and put it on the back window between the seat and the engine bay. Now I know. So thanks for hanging out with me today on Music Man's Garage. I will see you again in a couple weeks. because I do have wheels and a high wing spoiler coming for the C8 Corvette. So check back with me. Make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button, and I'll see you next time on Music Man's Garage. I'm out.